Again, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat and welcome back to Fiesta Wairarapa Pinoy Radio. Gaya na sabi ni Ate Kini, we are on the last Monday of February. So, March na. So, stay with us for 1.5 hours. So, for the spotlight of the week, isang event naman yung ilalagay natin sa spotlight for this week. But before that, well, unfortunately, yung riddle po natin, walang sumagot last time. So, it was given the chance, baka baguhin ko na lang yung yung system and how to sell this segment for our listeners. So, yung bugtong last week, bibigyan ko ng opportunity yung mga host na sumagot. Pero sa Ate Kini lang kasama ko ngayon. Absent na naman si Rica. Ito, papatamaan natin si Rica para sigurado sunod shot at sisipot na siya. Pero anyway, ang riddle po from last week is yung may mata pero di nakakakita, may pakpak pero di lumilipad. Sa tubig ako'y sumasayaw, ngunit sa lupa ang aking tahanan. So in English, I have eyes but I cannot see. I have wings but I cannot fly. I dance upon the water, yet the land is where I rest. So, ano sa tingin mo? Sagot dyan, te.
Hindi ko talaga alam.
Hindi mo talaga alam. So, yung sagot po ng bugtong na yun ay bangka or boat. Bangka.
Yeah.
Boat, ang sagot nun.
Ulit mo nga yung ano? Yeah.
So, may mata pero di nakakakita.
May mata ba yung bangka?
Hindi, in a literal sense, no.
Oh, right.
Pero may mata siya because it's guided by a person.
Yeah.
And then, may pakpak pero di lumilipad. May katig siya.
Yeah.
So, yung katig in English is yung parang yung support beams on both sides of the boat. And then, sa tubig sumasayaw. So, it's a given. Being a boat, nasa dagat siya. And yet, when it is at rest, it's inland. Pinapark. So, that's the reason why yung sagot niya is bangka. So, yun. Anyway, para ngayon naman today, so tumawag naman kayo at 027-463-8334. That's 027-463-8334. Kung alam nyo kung ano yung sagot. So, ito po yung riddle for today. Bugtong na sa araw na ito. Ako'y walang buhay, ngunit kayang pumatay. Hindi ako sundalo, ngunit dalay sandata. Kapag ako'y sinimulan, buhay mo maaring magbago magpakailanman. So that's yan ang bugtong. In English, I have no life, yet I can kill. I am no soldier, yet I carry a weapon. Once you start me, your life may change forever. That's the English version of the riddle.
Galing naman ng mga riddle mo.
No. So, kung alam niyo yung sagot na yan, tuwawag lang po sa 027-463-8334 during the show. Tumawag po kayo, wag kayong magaya. If you want to stay anonymous, just ring us during the music breaks at sasagutin po natin yan. Pero mas maganda po sana kung So, if you get the correct answer, you will get a $30 voucher as a prize. So, 027-463-8334 sa mga nakikinig. Right. So, ano yung spotlight natin for the week? Featured article natin is Breaking Barriers, Everyday English Program to Support Filipino Migrants. So, yan po yun. Mag-uumpisa na po yung Everyday English Program po natin. So the Wairarapa Filipino Society is set to launch an exciting new initiative designed to help Filipino migrants navigate daily life in New Zealand with confidence. It is called the Everyday English Program. Beginning in March, that's basically next week na, will run for 16 weeks and aims to equip participants with practical language skills essential for daily conversations. Recognizing the challenges that come with adjusting to a new country, the program focusing on learning Kiwi English, including commonly used slang and colloquial expressions. Participants will also develop a strong foundation in basic sentence structure and essential grammar ensuring that they can engage more easily in workplace discussions, social interactions, and everyday transactions. The initiative is more than just a language class, it is a bridge to cultural integration. Many migrants struggle with understanding the unique expressions and informal speech patterns of New Zealand English. By tackling this nuances, the program will empower learners to communicate naturally and confidently, whether ordering coffee at a cafe, chatting with colleagues, or understanding Kiwi humor. The Everyday English program is open to all members of the Filipino community in the Wairarapa. So, ibig sabihin nito, hindi lang ito para sa mga financial members ng organization. It's for every Filipino living in the Wairarapa region. So, kung pag sinabi kong Wairarapa region, sakop na rin yung Ikatahuna at saka yung Payatua, pwede po kayong umattend. So, once registration is complete, which will happen on March 1, so there would be a meet and greet on March 1. So, just to get yourself registered and then para mai-provide sa inyo yung mga learning manuals. We will have that happening on March 1, this coming Saturday at 9 in the morning. So, meron na yung may 3 confirmed na. I'm just waiting for the others, yung mga pending to come in. Pwede po siyang walk-in sa March 1 para ma-registro po kayo. So, all the classes, once it's officially sort of completed, the registration is completed on the 1st of March, we will start our very first session on March 8. So, classes will be held on weekends. So, every Saturday po yan, 9 in the morning. Start. It will run for 2 hours, making it convenient for those who work and have family commitments. Kaya nilagay siya sa weekend. However, there will also be a small contribution cost sa part ng estudyante. So, ensuring that the program remains accessible while covering essential learning materials. So, partially funded siya ng organization, ng society, pero kulang. So, kailangan lang ng konting contribution sa mga estudyante para we can pay off the the little bit of requirements, especially yung essential materials. So, through this initiative, the society continues its commitment to fostering a more inclusive and connected community. By breaking language barriers, the program not only embraces communication skills, but also strengthens the confidence and social well-being of Filipino migrants in New Zealand. For those interested in joining, stay tuned for updates on registration and class schedule. Gaya ng sabi ko kanina. This is a step towards fluency, understanding, and meaningful connections in the heart of Aotearoa. So, yun po. Ngayong March 1 po, kung sino yung mga interesado, you can attend. Kung hindi kayo maka-attend ng 9 in the morning, you can attend the opening day of our sports program, which I'll announce a little bit, para makuha ko kung sino yung mga interesado talaga, para mas marami, mas better. Pag nakuha yung target, baka bumaba pa nga yung yung student contribution, kasi pag marami na talaga. So, classroom setting po yan siya, face to face, pero as much as possible we will do it collaboratively online as well. Para doon sa mga hindi maka-attend physically. Pero ang kasi this is a pilot program patterned at the same as the IELTS from last year. Yun lang sa specific masyado yung English program kasi last year targeted talaga yung IELTS. This one is more like normal conversation English talaga.
Where is your venue?
So the venue for the registration or the meet and greet will be at Chanel College this coming Saturday at 9 in the morning till 10. And then another meeting will be from 5 in the afternoon till 6. So, kung yung hindi maka-attend sa umaga, pwedeng umattend sa hapon. Para makuha lang yung complete registration nila, yung complete details kung sino yung mga gustong umattend ng English program. Right. So, ang events po natin, yan, promote ko uli. 2 linggo na lang is yung Eraserheads Reunion World Tour, produced by the Silhouette Productions of Wellington. The concert will be held on March 15, 2025 at the Trust Arena in Auckland. So, 2 linggo na lang yan. So, VIP tickets is at $355, premium tickets at $285, reserved tickets at $255, and general admission at $205. So, if you wish to purchase your ticket online, just contact She Cavinta of Silhouette Productions. And then, another event po is yung pinopromote natin is the 2025 Autumn Sports League of the Wairarapa Filipino Sports Society. So, ito yung health and well-being program na pinapatakbo ng Filipino organization ng Wairarapa. The opening day will be this coming Saturday as well, at the Chanel College Gym. It starts, volleyball games will start at 2 p.m. And then the actual opening program will start at 4, and we have 2 special guests, VIPs, namely Christy Johnson of the Wairarapa Women's Center and Labor MP Kiran Macanolti, confirming their attendance as RBAPs. So, punta po kayo. Meron po mga Filipino food stalls po. Opening day po yan. It would be a lot of fun and games to watch and enjoy. So, kita-kits po tayo.
And this will be at Chanel College as well?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sa gym.
Okay, yeah. So that makes sense na meron din yung March 1 registration for the English.
Oh, yun nga, tinapat ko. Pero sa umaga yung English program na meet and greet, yung formal, para hiwalay talaga. And then, but sa gustong mag-register in the same day, dinagdag ko na lang yung 4 to 5.
5
kasi,
to
5 to 6. Para sa gusto pang maghabol na registration for the same day. Kasi kailangan ng makuha yung numbers para maumpisa na sa March 8 yung unang session. Hopefully. Kasi it's either March 8 or March 15. Depende kasi yan sa number na mag-a-attend. So, and that's me. Ang personal announcement is in behalf of the Filipino Society, Wairarapa Filipino Society, or the community as a whole, we would like to extend our deepest sympathies to Felix Lumawag, one of our drivers at McCarthy Transport, whose wife has passed away last weekend. I think it was midweek last week. I think Felix Lumawag's wife died.
And then based in Massachusetts?
Si Felix.
Okay.
Yung wife nasa Pinas.
Oh, right.
So, namatay. And then ito, I got hold of the news na meron din tayong isa pang member na namatay din na so I would like to extend our deepest sympathies to the family, to the whanaw of Mr. Danilo Miranda. Yung tatay ni John Miranda, kapatid ni Ate Cora of Vicencio, who passed away this morning. So ngayon ko lang na-receive yung news. So I will go and visit baby Lisa, yung
yeah. Yung anak ni
Ellen McLean.
Kasi sila yung
Magpipinsan.
pipinsan.
So yeah, condolence to the family in behalf of the whole Wairarapa Filipino community. So we will give you updates. Kailangan ko lang kausapin yung pamilya first. But we will give you updates. So yan lang po sa akin. Gusto mo one more balikan ko lang yung riddle para hindi nyo makalimutan. So yung riddle po ay ako'y walang buhay ngunit kayang pumatay. Hindi ako sundalo ngunit dalay sandata. Kapag ako'y sinimulan, buhay mo maaring magbago magpakailanman. So kung alam nyo po yung sagot, tumawag lang po sa 027-463-8334, 027-463-8334. Pero kung ayaw nyong magsalita live on the show, i-text nyo lang po yung sagot ninyo. So, or you can call during the music break. So, yan lang po sa akin. Balik sa iyo, Ate Kim.
That really sounds, you have very interesting riddles, Ryan. Yeah. Yeah.
AI yan.
Kahit na ako, I'm very intrigued with it. So that's really good. I hope you would have, the courage to actually speak up and let Ryan know. Text niya siya. Okay.